Imagine a cryptocurrency that shields your transactions from the world, surges 900% in a year, and just got a surprising thumbs up from the SEC. Could this be your ticket to true financial privacy? Welcome to Generational Wealth, your pathway from knowledge to legacy. In today's deep dive, we're exploring Zcash, or ZEC, and whether it's poised to dominate the privacy coin space. We'll unpack the SEC's recent decision and what it means for your wallet. Let's get into it. Let's start with the basics. What makes Zcash stand out? Born in 2016 as a Bitcoin fork, Zcash harnesses zero-knowledge proofs known as zk-SNARKs. This breakthrough allows you to validate transactions without exposing the sender, receiver, or amount. Think of it as mailing cash in an invisible envelope that only the intended person can see inside. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum's public ledgers, Zcash gives you the choice. Opt for transparency when it suits, like for compliance, or go fully shielded for privacy. With a capped supply of 21 million coins, mirroring Bitcoin, and powered by proof-of-work mining, it's built for longevity. Recent upgrades include quantum-resistant tech and enhanced scalability, making it more robust than ever. Privacy here isn't hype, it's happening. In 2025, the shielded ZEC pool reached record highs of about 5 million coins, representing roughly 30% of the total supply. That's billions in value moving undetected. From everyday financial protection to bypassing censorship in restricted regions. Now, the headline that's shaking things up. The SEC's latest move. Earlier this week, Zcash Foundation revealed that the SEC has concluded its investigation without recommending any enforcement. This scrutiny began in August 2023 with a subpoena linked to certain crypto offerings, casting a shadow over Zcash for more than 2 years amid fears of crackdowns on privacy-focused assets. But the outcome? A thorough review led to no charges, no penalties, just clearance. This isn't merely a relief for Zcash. It suggests U.S. regulators may be embracing privacy innovations, provided they're operated transparently. The market responded swiftly. ZEC jumped 13% to around $440, with trading volumes spiking as confidence returned. This follows recent turbulence, including the mass resignation last week of the Electric Coin Company's entire staff due to a governance dispute with their nonprofit board. That caused a brief 20% drop, but the SEC news has turned the tide. So how does this impact you? For investors, lowered regulatory uncertainty is a massive boost. Privacy coins have faced delistings globally, such as the recent ban in Dubai over money laundering worries. Yet in the US, this approval could pave the way for broader exchange listings, institutional investments, and perhaps even ETFs. Grayscale's ZEC Trust is already drawing eyes, and with the SEC's blessing, major funds might pour in. As a user, it means greater security in utilizing ZEC for private dealings, whether safeguarding personal funds or navigating global restrictions. Zcash's flexible privacy model aligns better with regulations than mandatory anonymity in coins like Monero. Integrations with privacy tools like NYMVPN and cross-chain features enhance its everyday utility. On a larger scale, this could ignite a privacy boom in crypto. With increasing on-chain tracking, the need for shielded options is rising. That said, risks remain. The governance issues aren't fully settled, and any hiccups with the new development team could fuel volatility. Still, last year's having reduced supply and advancements like post-quantum security bolster its staying power. The core question is ZEC the next big privacy coin? Stacked against competitors like Monero, ZEC holds key advantages. Monero's constant privacy is solid, but invites more regulatory scrutiny, leading to frequent delistings. ZEC's hybrid approach, transparent or shielded, positions it as more adaptable for institutions. Analysts suggest this SEC victory could propel ZEC ahead of Monero. On the bullish side, privacy is emerging as crypto's next major theme. Influential voices like Arthur Hayes have pegged it as 2026's standout narrative. ZEC's 900% rally in 2025 stemmed from genuine growth. With exploding shielded pools and future-proof quantum resistance, skeptics point out that zk-SNARKs aren't impenetrable. Some traceability questions persist, and the recent governance shakeup reveals vulnerabilities. Newer protocols like those from Aztec or Zama, using fully homomorphic encryption, might challenge ZEC's lead. In my view, if surveillance trends continue, ZEC's proven technology and diminished regulatory hurdles make it a frontrunner. Forecasts for 2026. Optimists eye prices over $700 if the upward trend persists. To sum it up, the SEC's decision to stand down is transformative, cutting risks and fueling optimism around Zcash. Its status as the premier privacy coin hinges on continued adoption, solid development, and market dynamics, but the outlook is bright. If crypto privacy resonates with you, ZEC deserves a spot in your considerations. It's not just a tool, it's a step toward financial sovereignty. What are your thoughts? Are you optimistic about ZEC or holding back? Share in the comments, give this a like, subscribe for more insights, and turn on notifications. We do a crypto news video every morning and a deep dive every afternoon. Let us know in the comments any subjects you'd like us to cover. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only and not financial or investment advice. Crypto is volatile. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research.